Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. I have a couple things for you today. I want to tell you a few things that are going on in social and digital media this past week. There are so many things that happen on a weekly basis, but what I want to do is take just a couple of those that I think are important to what you and I do and just bring you up to speed on those. So let's get started. Today's Legal Marketing Moments is sponsored by LinkedInCourseForLawyers.com, which is my LinkedIn course that is online and in person. And I'm getting ready to launch it a second time shortly. All you have to do to find more information is go to LinkedInCourseForLawyers.com. All right, let's get started. Instagram. There are link stickers, if you've heard about this. It used to be that in stories, you used to either have to have a verified account or have 10,000 followers to be able to put a link. People would swipe up and you could put a link in and then direct people back to your website or back to any URL that you wanted. Well, that didn't do much to help people who had fewer than 10,000 followers get to 10,000 followers because they didn't have that capability. Well, now what Instagram has done is they have put a sticker in stories that you can access where you can put a link. So that's very good. And anybody is going to be able to access it. So think about that to direct people back to your website or to any URL of anything you're trying to promote. Now let's talk about Facebook. Facebook has allowed us to integrate the RSS feeds from our podcasts now, which is great because if you have a Facebook page, then you have some belief that Facebook is an important place for you to be. Facebook lets us add our podcasts to those pages now. These will draw upon our podcast statistics from our original RSS feed. So this is good, just some additional exposure. I'm not excited about the way that they look when they're clicked on. I think they need to refine the process a little bit, but it's good. It's good for exposure. Another Facebook, they've formed a parent company for themselves called Meta. Now, Facebook's name is not changing. They've just formed a parent company, much like Google did when it formed Alphabet as its parent company. So WhatsApp, Oculus, Instagram, and all of the other ventures that Facebook has been embarking on, launching whatever, those will now go under the name of Meta. They've also rolled out a feature called Rooms, which is one of its social audio features that resembles Clubhouse. And you can access it from the same place you would type a status update. It's just called Rooms. Then you can either invite specific friends or just schedule one and then promote that link out in the wild wherever you want. All right, well, that's it for today. Just let me know if there's anything you want me to report on. You can find me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. And stay tuned. I'm going to have a couple LinkedIn updates next. All right, you take care, okay? Bye.